Hi, I'm Rachel from Slipstick, and I'd like to introduce you to Slipstick's premium rollerblade office chair wheels, designed to protect floors and glide effortlessly. These are a premium replacement for standard plastic office chair wheels and come in a set of 5. With internal roller bearings, these polyurethane wheels are super quiet and protect wood floors, negating the need for unsightly plastic floor mats. They are a universal fit to replace hard, noisy plastic wheels with no need for any tools. The wheels are rated at 500 pounds or 225 kilos per set. These will transform your office chair in looks and performance. Slipstick's rollerblade office chair wheels are backed by a lifetime warranty. Find more great Slipstick solutions right here on our website.